I absolutely love these hair clips. They're so beautiful and elegant and really unique. I haven't seen them before. In this bundle, you get two that have several pearl details, one that has some bling on it, and a fourth one that is a little bit more simpler but still has that larger pearl. Here's a video of me putting them in my hair. So I begin by putting my hair in a messy French twist, and if you look at the clip, the front of it has a comb and the back is just a very slick pin. What you'll do is hook those into one another. So again, here I am just doing a messy French twist, and I put the back of the comb, sliding it against my head and then hooking it in the front. This one is the clip that has more of the bling on it, and it also has a wider front in the clip, which I felt made my French twist feel more secure. So here I am clipping it again on the front hook. The next clip is the one that's the most simple. It's just a simple gold design with a big pearl on the end. This one is one of my favorites. I also experimented with doing a half up, half down. So I got half my hair, did a small twist, and then used the back of the pin to work it through the twist, and then again hook it towards the front. If this video was helpful for you, hit that thumbs up.